I'm just gon' bang it up and leave her mad as fuck. I ran it up. They not catching up, can't show no love, cause they didn't show no love. She gon' bang it up, she think it fuck, I had to brag about her. I be in the club, throwing dubs, tell her rack it up. I'm on top of the mountain, I see the view, it look nice as fuck. I'm inside the scat, bitch go view, you not catching up. I been going up like a bloom, plus a nigga stuck. All these niggas living in the loop, I can't follow you. They told me, go, you better pray for all your sin. They just don't know that all these souls gon' follow you, yeah. They wasn't down when I was down, but now I'm winning. I'm smoking all these fucking offs, I think I'm spinning. It's getting hot inside the trap, I need a ceiling fan. It's getting cold up on the block, I need a headband. And I can't go to sleep cause I be seeing dead friends. So I don't need a fans, get this shit as high I can. I'm tryna ride again, she called my phone, I'm sliding in. Life I live just like a pen, I cannot fucking try again. I've been tryna vibe me, these streets I've been dived in. I feel like I'm Batman, my niggas always robbing. It was not no hard shit, I just had to log in. Now I'm finally popping, I'm dripping like a faucet. I still hella losses, but that's what's making bosses. These bitches always call shit, but I be tryna solve it. I been on my boss shit, I just need a boss bitch. She know I'm the raw bitch, I don't need no call shit. She know who to call swing, cause she know I'm all in. Cause she know they all playing.
Lexus.